Hi everyone, this is Caitlin Bridge, otherwise known as BridgeBits, and this week we'll be talking about Drupal. So if you'll recall, the past 2 weeks we've spoken about two different content management systems, which were GrabCMS and WordPress. This week we'll be talking about the third and final content management system we'll be discussing, which is Drupal. So I thought it'd be cool to start this discussion off by showing you two real-world examples of websites that you might be familiar with that are built upon this platform. The first is the NCAA website. So if you're on this website sometime this month making your March Madness bracket, take a look at some of the cool features on this website. It is made on Drupal, so that's super cool. Additionally, the Emmys website and the Grammys website are made on this platform as well. So without further ado, let's jump into our example. I have this website here that is essentially a schedule builder. It shows you different classes, information about the classes, date and time, instructor, room number, status, all that fun stuff. So if we kind of peek behind the hood, we can see how this all works and how you can go about making different content types, what that means, and adding fields to them. So a content type, first and foremost, is something that is essentially predefined collection of data types, otherwise known as fields in Drupal, that are related to each other. So as you can see here, courses, instructors, and rooms are all related to each other, which makes sense because a course should have both an instructor and a room that it's taught in. So if we want to add a new content type, you go into Structure, press Content Type, and add content type. Just for example's sake, if you wanted to add a course type, I already made one, so we'll just call this one Course 2 for example's sake. We can call it Course, and then you would just press Save and Manage Fields. So once that's done, if you go back into Structure to get to how you would manage your fields, you would press Content Types again, and then click on whatever content type you want to manage the fields for. In this case, we're going to do the course content type. And in essence, fields are internally used to add custom data that are attached to the content types. So this could be the credits of a course, date and time of the class, the instructor, the room number, seats available, status. We are going to add a new field, and you can select the type of field. In this case, we're going to do an integer because we want to add a field for the course number. We only want one course number associated with each course. And then you can add some helper text. So this is the course number, minimum, greater than 0, but no maximum because you can have as many courses as you would like in the system. And then we don't really need to set any default values because each course will have its own course value. And then we'll go into Save Settings. So if we want to add the course number for this CAS 137H course, we would press Edit, and then we can scroll down and there's this course number field. Let's say that it's course number 37. And then we can save that. And we'll see that now the course number is listed here as well. So that's all for us this week. I hope you learned a thing or two of how to make customizable sites on Drupal. It really is a great tool for content management. As always, I'm BridgeBits,